get it, you're an outcast. Always under attack, always coming in last, bringing up the past. No one owes you anything, I think. You need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass, so paranoid. Watch your back! Oh my, here we go, another loose cannon, gone bipolar. Slip down couldn't get much lower. Quicksand's got no sense of humor, but I'm still laughing like hell. You think, if I come crying to me, you're looking so sorry that I'm gonna believe you've been infected by a social disease. Well then take your medicine. I created the sounds of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with a gun when you're